If there's no hail, then it's just
nasib baik kita just in time. The last station would be 7:40 actually. 7:40. But
so we're very lucky.
Yeah, we're very lucky. The second last train from Pulau Sebang to KL.
The memories.
Okay guys, kita dekat komuter nilai today. It's a good weather insyaAllah. Yes. Daripada sini kita akan kayu to Melaka with brother Vaga here.
Inshallah, let's hope we can do it.
Mahyudin, the Maulana.
Let's hope we can do it.
Okay.
First time.
So here's our bike.
People, I do solo
ride.
Yes, I don't. Only these days I join groups. All this time I do some because not confident with the people. I think they put so much pressure. So takut lah.
Senang masuk tu. Sekejap tukar.
Yours ni senang.
Right.
The retro bike.
Cuba tengok fork kau macam mana.
So masa dah pukul 8.58, ni pukul 9. Kita lewat. Anyway, alhamdulillah the weather looks good. So let's go. Masjid Senayan. Masya-Allah, hari ni ramai sungguh orang. Vaga, welcome to Senayan Masjid.
Alhamdulillah, we made it until here at least. Today we're heading to the city of the history of Malaya to make our own history for the first time.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, we're gonna do it.
You okay for now?
Allah is with us. Yes. So far okay. Struggling on hills, but
okay.
Alhamdulillah.
We're
So
going
far.
to make an average.
But you say there's no hill. There are no hills, but there are
some hills. Yeah. Kita berhenti minum dekat Petronas jap. Area Lukut Negeri Sembilan. Baru 30 lebih kilometer. Ada lagi 80 kilometer lagi. Okay, let's go. Yes. Yes, this speedy. Kita lepak sini jap sebab Cik Din dia ada
salt, ada garam.
Kena plus no garam. No garam in the petrol station.
Oh yes.
Actually garam we need to stock in pharmacy. Pharmacy or kedai runcit kan?
Kedai runcit atau restoran.
Convenient lah, convenient.
Tadi kita lakukan tempat tu ni.
Apa Cik Dian ada menghadapi sedikit teknikal?
Bro, dah lama tak kayu dah.
Oh, tak kayu. Okay, Baga.
Still okay, still can
Okay,
hold. Yes.
Can hold,
Still can hold slowly. The journey is nice.
Okay lah, geng Karen mesti okay lah.
Yes, we reached at Port Dickson for the first time. Yeah.
Welcome to PD. You never been to PD?
I've been to PD but not with bike.
Oh, with bike. First time with bicycle.
Yes.
So
I feel
saya
great,
pun
man.
actually pertama kali sampai PD dengan basikal, guys.
Yes.
Dalam sejarah, even orang Malaysia pun first time dia nak orang Comoros.
Aku PD pun baru 2 kali.
2 kali kan?
Okey tak? Orang PD dah 2 kali. Kita dah sampai kampung Cik Din. Nama apa? Bagan Pinang. Pantai Bagan Pinang.
Hometown, man.
Ya, ni kampung Cik Din.
Welcome. Tu Bagan Pinang.
Dia pun berapa? 2 kali eh?
Ha? Ni baru kali kedua naik basikal ke sini. Malam bawah sini.
Dan kita bawa seorang geng international. Lawan. Macam jakun lah.
We're heading to Malacca.
Wait, that one is nice, huh?
Another 80 kilometers to go.
Alhamdulillah. Ha. Oh, lepas tu dia tambak ah.
Dia penting.
Kawasan dah tambak.
Dah tambah. Itu pergi jalan. Kau tunggu berhenti parking kita kau terjun dulu.
Ya.
Dulu betul dia tambah.
Oh, sampai situ lah kan?
Sampai jalan.
Sampai situ guys dulu asalnya.
Pergi jalan tu.
Pergi jalan. Sekarang ni ada apa? Cik Waris. Kita berhenti dekat kedai ni. Kedai Mak
Pasir Panjang ni. Pasir Panjang.
Mak Lina Saleh, ha?
Pasir Panjang.
Pasir Panjang. Apa sedap bang? Kek sini.
So
ada coconut ke?
So daging tetel tu.
Coconut.
Coconut tak ada.
Kenapa tak ada?
Ni kedai buah jumpa beli.
Depan sikit ada kot.
Kedai buah. So daging tetel,
So we stop here to recharge for a while.
nasi putih, dan telur dadah.
Alright, eat something first. We're halfway. No, not halfway. 15k.
15k insyaAllah.
15 km insyaAllah to Malacca.
So kita baru je lepas makan tengah hari. Dibelanja oleh saudara Vaga kita. Makan nasi putih lauk apa nama tadi? Tetel, sup tetel kan? Masya Allah, sup daging tetel dia sedap gila. Kalau korang ada lalu depan kedai apa nama kedai ni? Akak Mak apa entah lupa dah. Okay. Okay, kalau lalu depan kedai akak ni kita stop support. Okay, let's go. InsyaAllah sambung. Ada 30 to go. Yeah. Ha? Tak. Terus. sekejap kat bus stop. Lagi lebih kurang 25 kilo dah nak habis insyaAllah. Sekarang dah 90 apa 6 94 km dah. Alhamdulillah, syukur tak hujan. Allah Ta'ala bagi cuaca yang bagus. Tapi kita ada masalah lain. Tapi tak apa. Cik Din krem sikit.
Sikit banyak lah.
Okay Din. Kita orang nasib baik tadi long the way ada pharmacy, so dapat beli Perskindol lah. Nasib baik. So anyway, peringatan juga untuk siapa-siapa yang buat Grand Fondo ke lebih daripada 100 kilo, bawa lah Perskindol ataupun benda-benda macam garam ORS, apa nama, benda yang boleh hilangkan krem lah, krem fix ke apa ke. Vaga dah sampai ke depan. Tiba-tiba dia pusing balik. Congrats to Vaga because he managed to reach his first 100 kilo. His personal best. Congrats,
Yes.
Congrats Vaga.
So today is not only riding, it's reviving the history and get part of it,
Yeah.
taking back Malaya from all the useless conquerors. Yes, man, let's go.
We conquer Malacca.
Conquer Malacca, man. Take back.
Sampai kat komuter Pulau Sebang. Unfortunately Mehmet ada kat belakang, tapi tak tahu macam mana nak bantu. Rasa kena call Grab kot. So Alhamdulillah, we are in train now, going back to Putrajaya with apa ni, Vaga. Vaga survive.
I survived. Right now we are at 132.
Where's the proof? Where's the proof? Show
Look
me
at
the
it.
proof.
Look at it. Yes.
Din, okay?
Okay.
Akhirnya
Melaka kejam lah.
Din tewas dengan bukit-bukit kat Melaka.
I pause it.
Keren.
Tak lah, janji sampai pun, janji sampai.
Lah, tak training. Kayu 120. Letakkan kayu. Bantai kayu. Baik kau.
Lepas ni join Karen.
Tak nak.
Every lamp is off already.
Yeah. So kita dekat on the way to Nilai, and Vaga is going to
Bangi.
Bangi station, right?
Yes, Bangi station.
So who's going to fetch you then?
No, cycle.
Ay, nuts.
Yes, no, can. If
So-
there's no hill, then it's just relax.
Nasib baik kita just in time. The last station would be 7:40 actually. 7:40. But
So we're very lucky. Huh?
yeah, we're very lucky. The second last train from Pulau Sebang to KL. So alhamdulillah we make it in orang kata apa?
On time, right?
On time.
Oh, this train is not until midnight.
There's nobody in the train.
Oh, ni. Dah
Dua orang.
kosong.